The theme of the Africa Memorial Day 2024 is Historical Consciousness and National Unity. Historical consciousness, awareness, or memory, as taught by the Senegalese scholar Cheikh Anta Diop, is the cultural cement that binds together the diverse elements of a community, creating a sense of historical continuity that is experienced collectively. With historical awareness, a human group can come together and form a unified people, which distinguishes them from a population whose inherent characteristics lack cultural unity. For instance, a population can be what you find in a busy city market. Buyers are diverse, with different cultural orientations and bonds. Diop emphasizes that the most essential aspect for any community is to discover the common threads that connects them to their distant ancestral past. This knowledge of their past creates a sense of continuity, cohesion, and ultimately a feeling of national unity. Now, appreciating our historical roots and their significance in fostering national unity is paramount for building a strong and inclusive African society. Historical consciousness refers to our collective awareness and understanding of Africa's past, encompassing its triumphs, challenges, and intricate narratives. It encourages us to critically engage with our history, promoting empathy and understanding of diverse perspectives. National unity, on the other hand, that is continental and country-wise, refers to coming together, the aggregation of individuals and groups from various cultural communities and religious backgrounds to form a cohesive and resilient society. Historical consciousness plays a crucial role in this process by facilitating open conversations about the past, recognizing historical injustices, and acknowledging the contributions of all communities to the continent's development. Now, by acknowledging and learning from the past, historical consciousness can foster empathy, understanding, and a shared sense of identity that transcends individual differences. It allows for the recognition of historical wrongs and the pursuit of reconciliation, laying the foundation for a more inclusive and unified national narrative. To conclude this, historical consciousness catalyzes national unity by promoting compassion, understanding, and inclusivity. It encourages individuals to engage critically with history, creating a more holistic understanding of the nation's past and forging a shared sense of identity that can contribute to a more unified and harmonious society. Now, as Africans, it is incumbent upon us to actualize the vision for Africa. The aspirations of iconic figures such as Kwame Nkrumah, Funmilayo Ransome Kuti, Marcus Garvey, and countless other African visionaries rest on us. Their dreams of a more unified, just, and realized Africa should become our collective dream. Together, let us actively contribute to making this vision a reality.